to check your Pluxee card expiry date. 1. Look at your physical Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo. The expiry date is printed on the front of the card, usually in the or YY format. 2. If you are using a virtual Pluxee card, open the Pluxee app on your phone. 3. Log in with your registered mobile number or email. 4. Tap My Cards on the home screen to view your active cards. 5. Select the card you want. The expiry date will appear under the card number or in card details. 6. Can also find it under Manage Card or Card Information in the app. 7. If your card has already expired, you'll see a card expired message. Contact Pluxee customer support via help@pluxee.com or in-app chat to request a replacement card. 8. Always check your card's expiry date before big purchases to avoid payment declines.